Just got this in from Best Buy, $10. Good price for a power bank. We don't use power banks as a lot, or I don't use them a lot, but once in a blue moon, I always keep them charged. Once in a blue moon, you're in that emergency, your charger didn't charge your phone. It's great to grab one of these that's fully charged and take it with you. So this is the lightning version from Belkin. I know nothing about it. I'm a regular amateur user. I saw this on B&H's website, Best Buy's website on one of their daily deals. And it was interesting, the next day when it was not on special, I think it went up to $30. It's a 5,000 mAh battery capacity power bank to charge your phone. It's made for iPhones, or lightning cables, or for Apple, because I think there's an integrated cable in here. I'm almost sure. But you can use it, I'm sure it probably has a USB-A connection or C, and it'll allow you to charge other devices. But I think it's conveniently made for Apple, for lightning. Okay, so this is what comes inside. There's nothing else. Nothing else in the box. I'll have all this information at the end if you need it. And let's take a look at the actual product itself. I have a bunch of power banks, all different kinds. Whenever they're on special, I buy them. They're all those that, they make great gifts all the time, especially for someone who actually is always running out of battery. So it's nice to have in your car fully charged. Just leave them around in your glove compartment or anything like that. Where is the cable? So this is the battery indicator light, and it's all the way at 3. As you can see, it's at 3. So we'll charge it. That should be a charger. This should be to charge the bank. That's so that you can charge other devices from USB-A to anything, micro USB, USB-C. And this should be the charger itself. Where is the lightning connector? Let me figure that out. I totally stand corrected. That's a lightning connector. I thought it was going to be a USB-C connector. I'm sorry, I just opened it up. I just looked it over, and you charge it with a lightning connector. Everybody has to use the USB-A to whatever. So I guess you could have one cable, lightning cable, charging, lightning to the USB, and then you can use a lightning connector, the same cable, to charge your phone or your tablet, your Apple device that takes lightning. Because the iPad Pro doesn't take lightning. It's pretty light. Let me weigh it. So I'm going to use this cable. I'll leave the link below in regards to that if you're interested. In regards to that cable, let me make sure that it actually works. So if I'm in a situation where I need to take this with me and charge my phone, USB-A. Right there to the lightning. It's charging, as you can see, right there. So there's no on and off, I guess. Let me make sure. Can I turn off the power bank? No. Hold on. No, it's still charging. So once you plug it in, it's charging. Let's charge up the power bank. I'm gonna take this with me and let you know how many hours I get out of this before it dies. Real world scenarios. Real world scenario. And what I'll do is I'll charge it, and I will set 100%. I'll keep it plugged in and continuously charge it without plugging it into another USB charger that's plugged into the wall. I'll just keep it plugged in here, and I'll tell you how long before this ends up dying. I'll tell you the amount of time this dies. The phone itself lasts me 20 hours, 12 Pro Max. So I want to see, I'm going to fully charge this and see if it actually, according to the box, 35 hours more. So I should get almost 3 days out of it. What happens if I do this? Can I recharge it? Don't do that. Oh, look at that. Don't do that. That was just me trying it out. All right. So, again, I'll have this all at the end, and I'll give you my real world scenario. I'll travel with this, with my phone, and only charge my phone with this, and I'll see how long it takes. It is, just want to make sure you know this is my own cable. This didn't come with it. This came with no cables whatsoever. Just the bank and the 2 pieces of paper. Let me fully charge this, and then we can start the process of seeing how many hours I get out of it. It is 2200 hours, or 10 p.m. March 5th, 2021. It's at 99%. So I'm going to start the charge here. It's fully charged now. Very light. I got to weigh this too before I finish the video. And I'm just going to leave my phone charging with this device overnight to see how many hours total I get before this goes kaput. And as you see, it's on charge mode. I unplug it, not charging, plug it in, and it'll be, hold on one moment, charged. Perfect. All right, let's see how much I get. See how many hours I get with this. Extra hours, I should say. Go to my trusty scale. Put this device on it only. Oh, it's not that heavy. It's about the same. Oh, it's lighter than the phone, that's for sure. Yep, half the weight of the phone. So again, I'm only testing. Let's go both of them on. How long it charges, keeps my phone at 100% or 99%. So I'll leave it on, and that will give me an idea of how much other extra hours I would get. I'm not doing the whole total amount of the phone and the charger. I'm just going to see how long the charger continues to charge my phone and keep it at 100%. And when we end there, that'll give me an idea of the amount of extra hours I would get walking around with this and charging my phone with this. I'm done, and I actually tested it. Like I said, I would only be charging my phone with this, and when this actually died, my phone was still at 100%, so I was sure that's the exact amount I got. I noticed this going off, and I kept track of it because only one light was on. So I continued to check it, and I actually got 23.5 hours extra of battery. So let's round it off. 1 day of use, 24 hours it gave me of use. And that meant using up the battery from here and keeping my phone at 100%. I got 24 hours, a whole day out of it. Now, if you add the phone battery and you put them both together, you're talking about, I'm probably averaging around 20 hours on my phone, and I'm a light phone user. So I get about 20 hours on my battery on my iPhone 12 Pro, Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if we add that to the total amount, we're talking about 44 hours of total battery life. A little bit more than a day. I'm sorry. That is going to be almost 2 days of total battery life for the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. So that's the end of the video. Again, I got a total of 1 day with this. It worked very well. It's very light. I'm actually going to charge it up again, and my son's actually going to keep it. He wants it. It's very light, and to give him additional life like that, he's going to love it. So he will get a use. He will definitely be using it. I won't. Lightning to lightning, USB-A, so that you can charge other devices. The lightning is for charging, so I'll be charging the through a lightning cable that I have there. So this pretty much will be like this always. This is an 8-inch lightning cable that I purchased on Amazon. They came in a 3-pack, and they work great, these cables. MFI certified and all that other stuff. It's 8-inch lightning cable and the battery case. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.
Some info on item. Belkin Boost Charge Power Bank 5K Lightning Connector Model, F7U045btBLK SKU, 6,364,230, March 8, 2021 cost, $9.99. Purchased on Best Buy website, also available on Amazon. Overview. Description. Designed especially for iPhone and iPad, this portable power bank is the first to market MFI certified power bank to recharge via lightning connector, allowing you to use the same lightning cable to charge the power bank that you use to charge your iPhone. Features. Travel lighter with one cable. 5K delivers fast charging for iPhone with 1x12 watt/2.4A USB port. Made for iPhone plus iPad. Developed for iPhone and iPad, the integrated lightning connector in these power banks means one cable recharges iPhone/iPad and power bank. Use your lightning dock to recharge. The Boost Charge power bank with lightning connector can be recharged using a lightning dock designed for iPhone or iPad. Place the power bank in the dock by aligning the lightning connectors and charging begins immediately. 35 hours more battery life. 5K power bank provides 35 additional hours of video playback for iPhone 8. The Safety Triangle. Safety Triangle monitors heat, voltage, and circuitry for safe operation. Efficient charging. A 2.4 amp USB-A port delivers optimal charging to your iPhone when you need it most. With a 2.4 amp lightning input port, the power bank also recharges quickly. What's included? 5000 mAh power bank. Specifications. General. Product name. Boost Charge Power Bank 5K with lightning connector. Brand. Belkin. Model number. F7U045btBLK. Color. Black. Color category. Black. Compatibility. Brand compatibility. For iPhone, iPad. Model compatibility. For iPhone, iPad. Dimension. Product weight. Info. 0.48 pounds. Warranty. Manufacturer's warranty parts. 2 years. Manufacturer's warranty labor. 2 years. Other. UPC 745,883,766,055. Belkin Boost Charge Power Bank 5K with lightning connector, lightning power bank, MFI certified portable charger for iPhone/iPad/AirPods, black, F7U045btBLK. Color black. Brand Belkin. Connector type lightning. Battery capacity 5000 mAh. Item dimensions LXWXH 5.76 by 2.92 by 0.62 inches. About this item. The Belkin difference, pioneer in innovation and technology for over 35 years. MFI certified iPhone power bank that recharges via lightning connector. 2. 4A input charge your iPhone, AirPods and iPad, models with lightning connector, and the power bank with the same lightning cable. Not included 5000 mAh power bank provides 35 additional hours of battery life. Quickly charge your lightning device via 2. 4A USB-A port. From the manufacturer. Belkin Boost Charge 5K power bank with lightning connector. Belkin logo. Made for iPhone, iPad, AirPods. Charge like lightning, with lightning. Belkin Boost Charge Power Bank 5K with lightning connector. Designed specifically for iPhone, iPad and AirPods, The Boost Charge Power Bank 5K recharges via Lightning connector, allowing you to use the same Lightning cable to charge the power bank as you use to charge your iPhone. A one-cable solution, this small, thin, lightweight power bank is ideal for on-the-go charging. Lightning cable not included. Belkin Boost Charge Power Bank. Belkin Boost Charge Power Bank. Belkin Boost Charge Power Bank. Travel lighter with one cable. Use your iPhone charge cable to power up your iPhone from this slim, lightweight power bank, and then use the same cable to recharge the power bank from a wall outlet. Charge with Lightning. A 2.4 amp USB port provides charging to your iPhone when you need it most. Recharge the power bank via the 2.4 amp Lightning input port. 35 hours more battery life. When you're running low and there's no AC outlet in sight, this 5000 mAh power bank will recharge your iPhone to deliver 35 more hours of battery life. Or if it's an iPad boost you need, 5000 mAh will give your iPad an extra 9 hours of battery life. Based on 35 hours of video playback for iPhone 8. Belkin Boost Charge Power Bank. Belkin Boost Charge Power Bank. Belkin Boost Charge Power Bank. Made for iPhone plus iPad. Designed for iPhone, iPad, the Boost Charge Power Bank will provide a battery boost to any device that charge via Lightning connector, including AirPods. Key features and benefits. LED lights indicate charge level. 12 watts Lightning port to fast charge power bank. 1 by 12 watts USB to fast charge iPhone. Use the same cable to recharge your iPhone and the power bank. Use your Lightning dock to recharge. The Boost Charge Power Bank with Lightning connector can be recharged using a Lightning dock designed for iPhone or iPad. Place the power bank in the dock by aligning the Lightning connectors and charging begins immediately. Cable not included. Product description. Color black, style 5000 mAh. Designed for Apple devices, the Boost Charge Power Bank with Lightning connector is the first to market ME certified power bank to recharge via Lightning connector, allowing you to use the same cable to charge the Lightning power bank as you use to charge your iPhone. A one-cable solution, this small, thin, lightweight power bank is ideal for on-the-go charging and is fully ME certified to compatibility with Apple devices. 35 hours of additional battery life claim is based on hours of video playback for iPhone 8. Results may vary. Product information. Color black, style 5000 mAh. Product dimensions 5.76 by 2.92 by 0.62 inches. Item weight 7 ounces. ASIN B07FK9M6N8. Item model number F7U045btBLK. Batteries 1 lithium polymer batteries required. Included.